guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now look what I have here. Here I have a half of a overripe banana. Now banana is good for lightening and brightening the skin. It is also great for getting rid of hyperpigmentation on the skin. It's very hydrating on the skin and it makes a good ingredient for a facial mask. You can choose to use banana directly on the skin like I'm showing here, and look at that. Look how I just lightened this area on the skin. Or you can choose to mix it with other ingredients. So what I'm going to do for you today, I'm going to take this half of a banana and I'm going to make a facial mask. A facial mask that will help to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines while lightening and brightening and hydrating the skin, and also giving your skin a boost of natural antioxidant, vitamin C and vitamin E. So what are you waiting for? Follow me to the kitchen. I'm going to show you how you can use your overripe banana as a skincare product. Do not throw your overripe banana out. Use it as a facial mask. Now continue watching for the recipe. So we're going to start off by prepping the banana, and I have a overripe banana here. The more ripe the banana is, it's the better for clearing pigmentation on the skin. So I'm just going to use a half of the banana. So I'm cutting it in two halves, and then I'm just going to peel the banana, getting rid of the outer peel. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to chop the banana in small pieces for easier blending. If you do not have a blender, you can also choose to crush the banana. I'm going to place the banana, the blender, and then I'm going to take my banana peel and I'm going to scrape the inner part of the banana, this area here. This is where you have all the amazing skin brightening properties. So just scrape that portion of the banana, toss the peel, and then you put that portion in the blender, about half a teaspoon. Now before I blend the banana, I'm going to be using some green tea, and I'm using a tea bag. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. This is about a teaspoon of the green tea. I'm adding that to the bowl with the banana. And before I blend, I'm going to reach for some rose water. And I'm going to use about 2 tablespoons of the rose water, pouring this in with the green tea. And then I am going to take some orange peel. If you have it, use it. If you don't, that's okay. And I'm going to add about half a teaspoon of the orange peel to the bowl with the banana. And now I'm going to cover and I'm going to blend. Now after mixing, here we have our mixture. And now we are going to pour this out. And take a look at this. This is your banana green tea facial mask. A facial mask that's going to hydrate the skin, clear pigmentation while reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. To use the mask is pretty easy. You're going to take a brush or your hands and you're just going to apply it on your face. Apply it on your face, your neck, and your décolleté. Let it sit on the skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse off, pat dry the skin, and apply your favorite moisturizer. Now store this in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share, and I can't wait for those comments. What other ingredient would you mix with your banana? Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.